Outlet Campground, site number 3, 2021. Sarah and Chuck's tent. Lots of chairs. And there's little Katie. Here's our beach site. All our junk. Hi guys, what you doing? Hi Sarah.
Oh,
hi Chuck.
Is that a GoPro?
Yes it is.
If I fall off, will you save me?
Maybe.
Wait, are you filming that?
We're filming.
Oh man.
Fine.
My hair's not wet. I'm not the wet one. I'm not wet at all. She's always the wet. I love getting filmed. I love it. Oh my gosh, my mom and dad are always so far behind. Look, behind.
Wow, look how far behind they are.
Do you see that blue thing? That's where they are.
What do you think, Cece?
My hair's not like too wet. I'm not wet at all. Okay, I have to hit this one.
Cece, climb over to the same side Camden is.
Look at this. This is gonna be funny. Okay, this one. You're in the light. You're in the light. Oh, here comes the big one. Get one.
Oh God. That was cool.
A something great or two. What do you think?
Camden, shut up. You're okay now, Cece.
But I can't remember from you at class and you said I won't go. Why does it have to be like that? It's so weird. Just having big waves and I'm not crying. Yeah, I love this. Just film it when I'm crying too.
Now you're. Oh wow.
That was funny, right?
Yeah, that was great. You're gonna win an Academy Award for that one.
I might cry again sometimes. It's windy. I'm glad you're not here.
Wait, I want to get him on GoPro here. The surfer dude.
No, just stop.
There he is.
This is not.
He's coming in.
This is not good time just to.
He's coming in.
This is not good time just to.
Look at that, he's
this
in.
Is only about video
He's
filming.
in all the way. Came in all the way.
This is only the time to worry about.
A little breezy today, whitecaps all over the lake. We're on pause with the sailing.
I love the coast.
Got some cumulus buildup here today. Heading down to the lake. Gotta get Katie's life jacket on. She hates it, but oh well.
There's the mom. Looking great as usual.
Pilot seat.
Sailing redfish. Ooh, starting to get a little gust here. Enjoying the gust. Getting some good wind now. Oh, sudden shift. Very shifty winds. Motor sailing. Coast sailing, total submersions going on.
I don't want this on film.
You don't?
Yeah.
Why? Too late. Ah, that was fun. Let's see, what day is it? Wednesday, I think. What date? Must be the 11th of August, 21. A little tent. Hobie resting at the beach for the night. Need to replace the breakaway pin. Tom broke. Here's the pin. bolt, plastic bolt. And it goes back here. Now it actually goes on the other side. Goes right there. Now I need to get a retaining ring for it. Alright, got it in place there. Our Turbo Mirage drives here. Heading back to camp. Time for cocktail hour. On the Orion Trail here. Okay, we have our figurehead here, Thomas O'Brien, engineer, researcher. He's at attention, standing on the bow like a good man. And behind me, I have Zachary Sellers, INL researcher. All right, we're gonna do a close pass of some dude that's trying to get his inflatable raft turning into a sailboat.
Sure.
He's probably just jealous of us and wanted to see if he could be like us. Right? He appears to be in towboat mode right now. He is towing the boat by human power. This little girl is helping him with the snorkel. And I'm going to cut it there. That's a wrap.
Got it. John. Oh, jeez, Louise.
That's why you didn't want to be transmitted. That's pretty fair.
Perfect.
We have a man overboard. We have a man overboard.
Go overboard. Turn on your back and you hold your arms on your chest. You hold your life back to yourself.
That's good to know, I actually know that.
He seems to be faring reasonably well. We're debating whether or not we should actually recover his body. All right, here we go. Oh, and he's back on. Back on the boat. Oh. All right, here comes the famous pose. Put your arm a little bit to the left. Your front arm.
A little to the left.
Yeah, there you go. That's it. Tom's famous bow surfing pose.